learn some math. Only got a calculator in my pocket. I'm learning, looking for some answers. This is bloody awesome. I walk into the class like, what up, I'm about to learn math. I'm so pumped to find some piecewise functions, 2 different equations on 2 different intervals. Kids be like, dang, that function's not continuous.
Local max, local min, F prime, zeros in, horizontal line test, crossing X with F prime, studying, that horizontal line test, trying to flip function, but on which axis?
X. But hey, I got a 99%. Flipping and stretching, about to reflect it this time. I'm making transformations like Optimus Prime.
What? 135, all of us in hour 2, learning math and having fun with every single thing we do.
I'ma find the tangent line, but for real, ask the sweet crowd, how you find the inverse side?
One-sided limits, X approaching 0, pushing these limits all the way to infinity, yo.
How to rate of change? I solved the rate of change. I found the first derivative, and then I found the slope.
Hello, sketching the derivative, F prime crosses 0, switch the signs, good to go.
I could take the integral, find the volume of a cone. Smart kids, they be like, nah, he found the 0.
I'm gonna learn some math,
Only got a calculator in my pocket. I'm learning, looking for some answers. This is bloody awesome.
What you know about finding that inverse cosine? What you knowing about graphing that double prime? I'm solving, I'm typing it in my calculator. F prime G plus G prime F. Calculus, solving math.